Was that thing on? Hello? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Jose, and today, guys, I'm excited because first of all, we're gonna be, well, I just did, but we're gonna put this thing to the test. We're gonna check the low light of my new GoPro Hero 9. So black, FYI. So I was messing around with the low light settings as I was driving around. I decided to take it out, you know, see if it would make a difference. I'm really trying to make sure that I got the settings right. That way when I go out and I go out for real, I don't have any issues. It doesn't look dark, it doesn't look goofy. So that's what I focused on today. I did have an issue with the memory card. It kept saying I wanted to reformat it, so it shut off. When I turned it back on, it started working. So I don't know, I gotta look into that. But besides that, I just went ahead and messed with the ISO. I got the other settings from this dude on YouTube, which is right here. ISO, like a 3200, from what I can see on the GoPro here, is like grainy, and then the 1600 looks more crisp and not as much noise, I guess. But I don't know if it's light enough, so I'm gonna go on my computer, check it out, and then yeah. But let me know what you guys think right now. Before we go any further, guys, before I show you these clips, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you already know we're trying to get to 3,000 before the end of March. And then make sure you hit that like and go follow me on Instagram, because we already post runs on there all the time. Send me your best runs. I'll post my favorite ones. And yeah, man. All right, without further ado, let's see these comparisons, and I'll see you guys in like a minute. All right, boys. Let me know what you guys think about this. Because, okay, obviously right now it probably looks really good because it's super nice and well lit. But we're about to go on the highway that we usually hit when we're out in Mexico, and it's definitely not as clear as this. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna try 1600 ISO and then 3200 ISO. The problem with the 32, I feel like, is that it'll like bring in a lot of noise, so it looks kind of grainy. It's kind of annoying. But then, you know, if it's too dark out and I have it at 1600, I might not be able to catch everything I want to see. So yeah, it's kind of fun, but yeah. Alright, guys, so alright, I'm a little far away here from my lighting, the good lighting. Let's get you guys up here. So yeah, boys and girls, that is gonna do it right there. Let me know what you guys think. I think that from what I see right there, the 3200 doesn't look that bad, so I'm probably just gonna go with that just to be safe. I don't think the noise is enough to where it's gonna make it look very like bad. I actually think it looks pretty solid. I gotta figure out that dumb memory card issue, but if you guys think otherwise, let me know in the comments. Maybe, you know, maybe I'm not seeing it right. Maybe the screen that I'm using isn't good. But if it looks better on the main thing is that it looks good on your phone, iPhone, Android, whatever you got, man. Just take a look. If you guys see that it looks better in a certain one, in a 1600, let me know. If you think it's 3200, let me know. I'm gonna put a poll down below. I think I can. Can I not? I don't know. If I can't, then I don't know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And let me show you. You guys want to see what I got right here? There it is. Peace.